the first day Colleen's 40.
That was mine. It goes in my...
What's he doing?
That turned him off.
What's the matter?
I don't like
What's
that.
he doing?
Bye-bye.
What him say?
He just said bye-bye.
What him said?
Hello.
I said hello.
Go pet him.
Hi, little guy. What are you doing? Hello there. What did you just sit down? What is he doing? He's rolling around and laughing.
Oh, no. Bye-bye.
What a goofy little thing.
Hello.
Are you scared of him?
Don't turn him on again.
I think he's off.
Turn him off.
I think he's off now, dude. Yeah, he's...
Oh,
Oh,
what's so funny, monkey man? Okay, he's off.
he's looking for you.
Come pick him up and put him away. He's off.
Maybe you put him in a drawer.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Daddy, you put him in a toy.
He's all done. You can put him in.
No, I want you to.
I think you should.
A light sensor triggers your toy. The sensor is located in the head of the toy. Motion in front of the sensor will cause lighting to change and activate your toy.
Him sleeping, dude.
Your toy will roll around and laugh for one complete cycle or remain off
Dad,
until
put
activated
him
by
in.
motion again.
Toy chest.
Okay, I'll open it up. You come put him in.
No, you too.
You can put him. You do.
He's sweeping.
He's off. He's off.
Dude, he's sweeping.
Put him in.
No, he's your toy. You come. He's sweeping.
I want Daddy.
That's from Papa and Nana.
Come here.
He's off. He's off. Look, he's off. He's not doing anything.
He's sweeping. Come watch him. Look, come watch. He's not doing... Allie, look. Come sit with me. I'm just going to sit here. Allie, this is ridiculous. He's not doing anything.
He will not hurt you.
He's not going to hurt you.
Come on. Come on, division champ. I'll hold your hand. Let's go get him. Come on. Take my hand.
You put him in. You put him in.
It's just a little monkey.
Maybe the fire truck will get him.
See, look.
You bring the fire truck to him?
No.
Here, I'll go with you. I'll hold your hand. And you grab him.
No, you too.
Look. He's not doing anything.
No, put him in. Put him in. I want you to put him
I'm sweeping. Okay, let's grab him together. You, good boy. See, him's tired.
Hello?
Oh, I don't...
Oh no! What's going on, Alex?
This one seems to be the problem, dude.
Guys, go talking.
What seems to be the problem?
He's talking.
Who's talking?
That guy much.
The guy monkey? Show Sissy. Who's talking? She's not gonna believe you.
Oh my goodness. So you got monkey from Papa Nana? Yes. And his clothes wearing it.